Hi YouTube, this is King Buick. Today I'm going to show you a book called The Baltimore and Ohio Railroad. Like all other books in this series, it's full of photos. This is from the 80s, I think. In this book you will learn about America's first common carrier railroad from 1828 to 1865. Baltimore reaches Ohio and points west, closing out the 19th century. Baltimore and Ohio in the new century, 1900 to 1945. The modern Baltimore and Ohio, 1945 to 1987. Riding the Capital Route, passenger trains of the B&O. Centennial Service, time savers and trailer jets, B&O freight operations, the B&O steam era, and electric and diesel locomotives of the B&O, and the B&O legacy. Again, this is a very good book with both new and old. Here's maps, photos, promotional documents. It is a very excellent book, and it will make you become a huge rail fan for the U.S. It goes all the way up to when B&O discontinued in the 80s. And there are more books in the series, all of them equally as good, written by famous authors. Again, this is a great book, and I highly recommend people buying it.